Bawse Beauty unboxing. This is a restock of one of our cleansers. Alright, for some reason guys, I lost the voice, the sound for this video got screwed up, so I'm gonna just do a voiceover for the rest of it. So as I was saying, we're doing an unboxing for our cucumber cleansers. We do outsource some of our skincare except for the Rose collection. All those are made by hand in-house. But our cleansers, our mask, our face, our moisturizers, the charcoal mask, the face mist, the beard oils, those are all outsourced and private labeled. So we just got our new stock in of our cucumber cleansers, 12 new bottles. So go shop the site. It's underneath the collections tab in thebawsecreations.com. All right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in to Bawse Beauty Unlimited. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions on our cleansers or any of our skincare products, please leave a question in the comment box. See y'all next time. Bye.